a unit 12 post-reline. Toilet pipe reline. This is the junction patch. Angle the camera to look vertical. That's vertical. You can see the light up there. So we're looking up at the sky, now we're looking down. That's the junction cut down there for the basin. Continuous liner all the way down, upping onto the next junction patch, which is there. Top of the screen you can see the junction, and then finishing down there, a little dab of resin.
If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to click the notifications bell to get notified when we post new videos.